Hey guys, I'm Andrea from the channel AGP Investment, and if you want to make money with YouTube without showing your face like me, click in the first link in the description. Thank you.
In your story. Once you've built the story for your company, you have a powerful tool for judging the stock. But like any powerful instrument, you must use it wisely and carefully or you'll get burned. Use your story to pick the right time to buy a stock. I promise you that the right time to buy a stock does not occur often. When I'm following a stock, buying opportunities present themselves once or twice a year, if I'm lucky. I look for times when the potential upside is high and the potential downside is reduced. Understanding that balance is a key to successful stock investing.
You have to understand, stock picking is a risk-reward trade-off. You have to know how much you're going to lose if you're wrong and how much you're going to make if you're right. The skill is to minimize your risk and maximize your reward. You can be wrong in this business. I've been wrong quite a bit. But you can be wrong and still make money, as long as your good stocks more than offset your mistakes. I figure if I can be right 6 times out of 10, that's a good batting average.